Lordship, item number 29 and 31, Your Lordship. These two matter, Your Lordship, may be taken after 1 week, Your Lordship.
Your AM Khan.
Yes.
Mike.
AM Khan petition right now. Yes, next.
I beg to mention for item number 27.
Your name?
H.J. Tamuli. Obliged, my lord.
Item 1 for motion.
May I be the lordship? My lord, may I kindly see voter list of 1977, page 27. There are some NRC of 51 also, but here I am drawing only the voter list, page 27, kindly see. This is operative portion, page 28, Azimuddin. He is my father. His name is in the voter list of 1977. He has a land sale deed that may kindly be seen page 23 of 1967. Page 23. Page 23. Azimuddin Kha, father of late Asan Kha. And this is the Xerox copy of the voter list. So this is of the year 1967. That may be seen, my lord, page 26, middle part, left side, in vernacular, 21,967. So this is the sale deed, selling deed. My father sold this land to Aisha Khatun. This is the land of 1967. This is of village Uzan Petla. And voter list is also village Uzan Petla. And my lord, my uncle is Injil Sheikh. His name appears in the voter list of 1966, page 31. Property portion, page 32. Injil Sheikh, son of Asan Khan. Asan Khan is my grandfather. Now, Lordship, the learned tribunal verified the voter list of 1966 of my father. That may kindly see page 89. From the bottom 5 lines above, the page 89, the remaining documents like material exhibit Co and exhibit L is looked into to find the names of Abed Ali Sheikh. I am Abed Ali Sheikh. And Nilifa Bibi with Hamida Baba, but the Hamida
Mr.
Baba,
Mahmood, where is the voters list of 1966?
that is not there, but that was verified by the election officer.
Where is it? Let us take a look.
Actually, that could not be produced. But election officer said that it is there. He has certified. He has sent the report.
We want to examine it.
No, a report was called for by.
Get the voters list of 1966. These are all indirect materials.
No, it is a written report submitted to the election officer that
Doesn't matter.
in the 66 his name appears. Like he has said.
So why don't you produce it?
I shall try.
It's a public document.
Yes.
Apply for the copy, get it.
Yes.
The petitioner relies upon a voters list of 1966 of village Uzan Petla,
Yes.
wherein it is in a situation wherein it is claimed that the name of Azimuddin Khan, son of Asan Khan, appears in the said voters list. Petitioner may produce the copy of the voters list to the
I have another prayer, my lord. Item 7, 9, and 38. This matters may kindly be in the last item because I have one matter at court number 1. Okay. 7, 9, and 38.
Not really.
Last items. Hello.
Item 2.
This is last of definitely Kavra of Merchant Development, he has filed a
Recorded now.
It's 32 minute.
We have filed the affidavit, my lord, that is on record, lordship. So as for the Gangura, my lord, he has issued. this
Have you
affidavit,
read the order of 21/6/2023?
my lord. Last order, my lord. Yes. Last order to last order.
Over.
Three five last order. Gundane Gupta Havana Home. And by concern, we will also make available done at this moment and nothing but it is sufficient to make it. We shall provide a copy the Mr. My lord. So this
Yes,
are-
Madam Verma, you also go through that order.
Yes.
Last Division Home Department raised some objection.
Also, this are my applicable to this, and when I am with the available and a company in the Home department. My lord, my friend has already gone through my affidavit. I can't buy the.
We don't know. Last occasion, I think that was the objection raised. we
My
passed it
my
on.
lord,
Give a copy.
my lord. She has already gone through my lord. Lordship will take it up.
As required by the order of 21/6/2023, it is stated that the copy of the affidavit of the Gangura had been provided to the council for the Home Department. The prayer of the Home Department, list on so and so.
Earlier order. Entry may be continued.
Item 3.
Father of the petitioner is Amiruddin Lordship,
Page number.
page number 72. 66 voters list.
Yes. Amiruddin is the father.
Yes, Lordship.
Which document will show is the father of Muhammad Ali?
Then Lordship 97 voters list. But in the same village, but his house number is different and father's house number is different.
Page
Lordship.
number.
97, page 78. Village is same, Sadbuni 2. And petitioner, Lordship, page number 81, Lordship. Vernacular, Muhammad Ali.
Page 110 years.
Yes.
Who is the mother?
Mother is Tahirun Nisa.
Where is her name?
Her name is there in 66. Age discrepancy is there, Lordship. Age discrepancy is there.
What kind of discrepancy is there?
His date of birth is 67. He should have been 38 in the year 1997.
That
Wherein
is
it-
28 years.
Yes, 38. It should have been 38. Age discrepancy is there, but all along same village, Lordship. And DW2 is the
No,
brother.
no, always same village, a similar sounding name may not be the same person.
Yes, Lordship.
It's
I got the point.
nothing that
Yes, yes.
they have to be the same person.
And his brother, 93, along with father, brother has,
See, no, we are page 79, Amiruddin is 110 years.
Yes, Lordship.
And what happened to Tahirun Nisa?
Tahirun Nisa is there in 60s.
Yeah, in 97, what happened to her? She died.
Might have, that I'm not sure, Lordship.
So she will be would have been 84 years in 1997. And this son is 28 years in 1990.
He's
Uh-huh.
67 born.
So 84 minus 28. So
67.
even if you go by that age you were claiming,
Lordship.
mother appears to be a little more aged.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, he was born in 67, not 20. It should have been 38 years.
Where is
Because-
the
Because
birth
he
certificate?
spent, not
is-
birth certificate is not there.
Then how do you know he was born in?
67,
So where is the voters list prior to 97 containing his name?
his name, first,
Even-
97.
A
was
man born in
exhibited.
67,
Yes, Lordship.
his name ought to have been there in the. list.
89, 89, yes,
also, huh?
89 Lordship.
That would have been-
89.
That would have,
89, 87, there was no voter, 89 voters list.
that would
His
have
name
given
should
some
have-
more indication.
Yes, Lordship.
That would have given some more indication.
Yes, Lordship. And brother's name is there in
Yeah.
93.
It is claimed that Amiruddin, son of Kalu of the 1966 voters list of village Sadboinir Tok, is the father of the petitioner, where the name of Amiruddin, son of Kalu also appears in the voters list of 1997, showing his age to be 110 years. Tahirun Nisa of the 66 voters list, whose age is 53 years, is claimed to be the mother of the petitioner. In the voters list of 1997, the name of Muhammad Ali, son of Amir, is shown to be 28 years. But it is claimed that Muhammad Ali was in fact born in the year 1967 and his age was wrongly shown as 28, whereas it ought to have been 38. For further verification, the voters list prior to 1997 containing the name of Muhammad Ali may be produced before the court.
Lordship, if the voters, 93, he has exhibited, but his name is not there, but brother's name is there, along with father, who has adduced evidence as DW2, Lordship.
Father means Amiruddin.
Amiruddin and Chanmia, who is the brother, who has adduced
Where is
evidence
the
as
evidence of Amiruddin?
Chanmia. Chanmia
Not
is the,
Chanmia,
Chanmia is 60, page 60, Lordship.
no. Where is the evidence of Amiruddin?
Amiruddin did not adduce, brother has adduced evidence, elder brother, Chanmia, whose name is there with father in 1993. That voters list was.
Lordship, he has deposed that his father died in 1990 at the age of 100. But we still have his voters list of 110. That is at
It
page
is-
66,
Yes,
Lordship.
Lordship, it might be, if it's not revealed before the election authorities, name will appear, Lordship.
Automatically.
It appears, Lordship, it has to be
No,
informed.
before every voter's list, there is a verification.
Verification, Lordship.
If the verification is
Ah.
not done,
If the verification is not there, there cannot be a voter's list.
yes, Lordship, but.
Voters list
97
always precedes by a verification.
So if that verification is not
Hmm.
done, then that has to be informed to the election authority.
Understand. When voters list of 97 was it was made,
Yes, Lordship.
there was a verification. That verification must have revealed this man is alive.
Lordship and the brother even.
Because
states-
without verification, there cannot be voters list. What is called, that particular term is there. Yes, election
What do you
commission.
call it? Voters list or electoral.
Before every voters list, there is a verification process. Na? This enumerator, they come,
Yes,
if your residence.
Because till this day, I have never seen an enumerator visiting personally my house.
You file a writ petition against the election commission.
There is the.
We will take up the issue.
It's not done, Lordship.
It is done,
Practically,
Lordship,
it's
I
not-
don't agree.
If it
to
has
this.
happened, if file a writ petition against the election commission, we'll take it up. We'll set aside all voters list.
I'm not.
that
taking
were
that.
made without a
Every
verification.
verification is not done, Lordship. So name, if it's not being informed properly, then name
Madam,
will be
both,
there.
it's an argument you are making.
Yes, Lordship.
And you are also giving your personal experience. If it is so, file a writ petition. File a writ petition that voters list are prepared without verification. We'll set aside all such voters list to be illegal and void. If it is so. What is the automatic?
And the son has also deposed that the grandfather came from East Pakistan at some point of time, Lordship. That is his own deposition at page 66. And he has no knowledge whether his father has any brothers or sisters. Now, whether this Amiruddin is this Muhammad Ali's father.
Okay, till the next date, we are giving you some protection. Along. No coercive measures be taken against the petitioner till the next returnable date, list on so and so. Yes. But this
Voters list.
materials are little short. To arrive at any conclusion. Find out what more you have.
Deeply obliged.
We are not issued notice, sir.
Yes.
Item 4,
Yes.
Grandfather name appeared in the voter list 1966,
Page number
page number 26,
20.
26.
You're referring to which page?
26.
26. Thank you.
Who is the father?
Quran Sikh. My lord, Abdul Karim is father name. Grandfather name is Quran Sikh.
Grandfather. Yes, where is the name of the father?
Page number 26, voter list of 1985,
Page number
29.
that Karim, that one.
Yes, sir.
So now which document will show Karim is the father? The petitioner to show the relevant document material which may indicate that Karim of the 1985 voters list of village Motrogola is the father of the petitioner, list on so and so.
Obliged.
item 5,
Father is Qasim Ali,
Page
Lordship.
number
Page number, Lordship, 77.
Qasim,
Qasim,
son of Misil.
yes,
He is father or grandfather?
father.
Father.
Then father, mother together in 77, Lordship.
Page number.
Page number, Lordship, 81.
And who is the petitioner? Rahela. Which document will show Rahela is the daughter of Qasim?
Page 94, Lordship.
What is 94?
Petitioner and mother together.
Tonbhan Bewa
Yes.
village.
Village Posal.
Earlier village was Paglatola.
1960 voters list is also Pasakande because two village are adjacent village, Lordship. If we see voters list of
Page.
93, Lordship. 93 is the one.
Page number.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, page 88, Lordship,
80.
88. On top, if we see Posarkandi and Paglatola is together. Because both are, sometime it's page 88 vernacular, Lordship.
Yes,
Both-
Madam Verma.
Notice may be issued at this stage, Lordship.
It's an interim vote.
Yes, Lordship.
So without interim notice, there's almost no value.
And interim,
Did you? Petitioner relies upon the voters list of 1966 of village Paglatola, which contains the name of Qasim Ali, son of Nisir. That's serial 6. It is claimed that Qasim Ali is the father of the petitioner. Reference is also made to the voters list of 19. Where is the mother and
77, Lordship, page 81.
of the voters list of 1977 of village Paglatola, which contains the name of Qasim Ali, son of Nisil, along with Sonabhan Bibi, wife of Qasim. It is claimed that Sonabhan Bibi is the mother. Reliance is also placed on the voters list of 1993.
Mother and petitioner together.
No, page number 93,
Page 88, Lordship,
which contains the name of,
97.
no, not 88.
Page 88, mother and petitioner.
Mhm, 93, I think.
And page 94, Lordship, 2010 voters list.
Also, voted into 2010 of village Pasarkandi, which contains the new.
Is your lordship. My lord, grandfather name recorded in 1966 voter list, page 36, my lord.
Masrob.
My lord, village Rajbhoral,
Hmm.
1975 voter list, page 38, my lord.
He is grandfather.
My lord, grandfather, my lord.
And who is the father?
Father is A. Mazid, Abdul Mazid,
Page.
page number 38, relevant portion 39, my lord.
Yemazid is the father.
My lord, is the father. The next page is appointment letter from the NF Railway. The linkage document, my lord, page number 48, my lord, school certificate,
Page number 48.
my lord. Wahida Begum, daughter of Abdul Mazid.
So what to do now?
This concerned person appeared as DW3, my lord.
Sorry.
This concerned person, the headmaster,
Ah.
DW3, page number, my lord,
Hmm.
70.
Hmm.
He issued the certificate, my lord.
He deposed before the tribunal.
My lord.
Yes, so Mr. Sharma, are you satisfied? Hmm? No, the only aspect that remains is whether the admission register is authentic or not. That's the only question remains, nothing more. You did not cross-examine on that issue. Yeah, like- Or else we cross the call for the record. Take our own call and finish it off.
LCR is on record.
The LCR will not contain the original school record.
My lord, as your lordship deemed.
Which one to do? Third, Mr. AW one, then that's a petitioner. The petitioner Wahida Begum had been referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number
Sonitpur one, my lord.
Honitpur 1 for rendering an opinion as to whether she is a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, resulting in registration of FT case number. Which page you are reading?
My lord, page number 30, my lord, the impugned order.
30.
30, my lord. FT case number 63.
Registration of FT bracket D case number 6357/2012. Tribunal rendered an opinion dated 28/7/2020 declaring the petitioner to a foreigner being aggrieved with the petition is instituted in the writ proceeding. Reliance is placed on the voters list of 1966 of village Rajbhoral, police station Tezpur, Moza, Mahabhairav in the Sonitpur district, which contains a name of Marsob Ali, son of Mahmud at serial 202. It is claimed that Marsob Ali is the grandfather of the petitioner. Reliance is also placed on the voters list of 1975 of village Rajbhoral containing the name of A. Majid, son of Marsab, and it is claimed that A. Majid is the father of the petitioner. To substantiate that A. Majid is the father, Reliance is placed on a school certificate issued by whom?
Headmaster.
By the headmaster of
Rajbhoral LP school.
Rajbhoral LP school, which contains the information that Wahida Begum is the daughter of Abdul Majid of village Rajbhoral. The headmaster of the school had also been examined as DW1
DW3.
as DW3, wherein he had exhibited the admission register in origin of the school to substantiate the information contained in the certificate. We were remanded back to the tribunal to examine 66 voters list, 75 voters list of village containing the name of Omuk grandfather and Omuk father, as well as to recall the school register in origin to be produced before the tribunal again, and the tribunal to verify the authenticity and acceptability of the said admission register and thereafter pass a reason order. Respondents in the Home Department may further examine the headmaster if so advised, and also make their own verification and submit report on being the needful reason order be passed.
Deeply obliged.
33.
Use 33. Miraz Ali, who is the father?
Next is your lordship. My lord, the page 37 is the voter list of 1965.
Page
of
30,
grandfather, my lord.
37,
37, my lord.
1965.
Karnagala
Jabbar.
is the page 38,
Jabbar.
Abdul Jabbar,
Jabbar is the grandfather.
my lord. And my lord, your lordship will find my lord,
Village is Gotonga.
village Gotama.
Now who is the father?
My lord, Afiruddin is the father, my lord, your
Page
lordship
number?
may kindly see page 78.
78.
Is annexer G, page 77 started, my lord. It is voter list of 1989, Afiruddin,
Page 75 you say, no?
77, my lord, starts annexer G.
Jabbar, son of Barik.
That is, my lord, in the 1917, my lord, voter list.
Jabbar, son of Barik, he is the grandfather.
Yes,
And
next is, my lord,
1989.
here Mohammed Afiruddin,
Afiruddin.
my lord.
And now who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is the
Miraz
Miraz
Ali.
Ali.
Which document it show?
My lord.
Miraz Ali is the son of Afiruddin.
My lord, kindly see page 41, my lord. Karnagala is at page 42, 2005 voter list, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. Okay. But Mr.
UK does.
UK Das. Also, had Mr. V. Sharma, the petitioner Miraz Ali had been referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number
There is
69.
no number, my lord. Foreigners
Uh,
terminal.
Foreign Tribunal Jorhat for rendering an opinion as to whether he is a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, resulting in registration of FT of case number FT stroke SBR stroke 168 stroke 2011. The tribunal rendered an opinion dated 22/9/2020 declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner being aggrieved. District petition is instituted in the writ proceeding. The petitioner relies upon the voters list of 1965 of village Gotonga containing the name of A. Jabbar, son of A. Barik, at serial 278, and it is claimed that A. Jabbar is the grandfather of the petitioner. Reliance is also placed on the voters list of (1989) of village Gotonga containing the name of Muhammad Afiruddin, son of A. Jabbar, at serial 801, and it is claimed that Muhammad Afiruddin is the father of the petitioner. Reliance is also placed on the voters list of 2005 of village Gotonga, which contains the name of Miraz Ali, son of Afiruddin, at serial 359, and full stop. It is claimed that as also village Gotonga, it's claimed that as the voters list of 2005 shows Miraz Ali to be son of Afiruddin, the voters list of 1989 shows Afiruddin to be son of A. Jabbar, and the voters list of 1965, all of village Gotonga shows A. Jabbar contains the name of A. Jabbar. Therefore, the petitioner had discharged the burden under Section 9 of the Foreigners Act to prove that he is not a foreigner. Remand back to examine here. All the procedure, pass a reason order. Respondents will make the verification, submit report. Petitioner to produce the complete voters list of village Gotonga from the year 1965 to 2005 for examination.
34,
May I please, Lordship?
34, yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lord, Annexure 6, page 41 to 42, my lord.
Annexure 6,
Page 41, 42, my lord. Voter list
41, Annexure
966.
6.
Petitioner parents name is here.
Gorola Pam,
My lord,
Josimuddin
my lord.
is the what? Father.
He is the father, and father, mother name is dear.
Okay, father, mother. And now which document will show?
My lord, Annexure 21, page 74, my lord. Land mutation.
Jamabandi.
And
Page 71,
74, my lord.
74.
Right.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Sharma, send back. I think we have already given the observation while issuing notice. All these facts. Mr.
Present petitioner is of village Kekjar. Lordship.
Sorry,
Present petitioner is of village Kokjar.
not of this village Gorola Pam. So you make your verification
Yes,
whether
Lord.
petitioner and that Jamabandi person are same person.
Yes.
Heard Mr. B. Islam like also petitioner also. The petitioner Lalchan Ali had been referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number, which page?
My lord, and
Page number
page number, my lord. 169.
169.
680.
Had been referred to the Foreigners Tribunal number 3, Kamrup Rural at Amingao for rendering an opinion as to whether he is a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1940. But in same one, resulting in registration of AFT bracket R 2023/18. Opinion dated 28/4/2023 declaring foreigner being aggrieved district. In the writ proceeding, petition relies on the voters list of 1966 of village Gorola Palm, which contains the name of Josimuddin, son of Mazum, at serial 12, and that of Group Hanu Desa, wife of Josim, at serial 13, where both are residing in house number 5. And it is claimed that Josimuddin is the father of the petitioner. To substantiate the same, Jamabandi of a plot of land at village Gorola Palm is relied upon, wherein, as per the order of the circle officer dated, which one? There are a number of orders. Which one is your order?
my lord.
In the Jamabandi, which order of the circle officer
Page
is relevant for the
page
petitioner?
74, my lord.
Sorry,
Page 70. Page 74.
70?
74, my lord.
74 is the beginning of the Jamabandi.
My lord, in the last paragraph, my lord, as per circle officer sitter order dated 26/11/2010, a plot of land.
Where is there in the vernacular?
Particular is page 76, my lord.
Circle officer order dated
Order dated, my lord. 26/11/2010.
26/11/2010.
Ma'am.
Where is 26/11/2000?
My lord, page 76 in the right portion in the third
Lalmia,
order.
Hutre, Josim, full stop. In the the Jamabandi contains the reference to an order of the circle officer dated 26/11/2010. In respect of a plot of land covered by Pata number 116. In which the name of Lalmia, son of Jasimuddin, had been mutated in place of Jasimuddin, and accordingly the Jamabandi had been corrected. Petitioner claims that as the name of Lalmia had been mutated in place of Jasimuddin in respect of the plot of land at village Gorolapam, a petitioner had discharged the burden under Section 9 of the Foreigners Act 1946, that he is not a foreigner. Mr. G. Sharma and counsel for the respondents in the Home Department, on the other hand, submits that the petitioner proceedee is Lalmia is Lalchan Ali of village. Of which village, Mr. Sharma? Of village Kokjar, whereas the Jamabandi as well as the voters list referred is of village Gorolapam. We are about remanded back to the tribunal to examine the voters list of 66 as well as the Jamabandi in respect of plot of land at village Gorolapam. The respondents in the Home Department to also make their own verification and submit report as to whether Lalchan Ali of village Kokjar and Lalchan Mia referred in the Jamabandi of the plot of land at village Gorolapam are one and the same person. If the tribunal arrives at a conclusion that Lalchan Ali of Kokjar, who is the writ petitioner proceeding, and Lalmia of the Jamabandi of village Gorolapam are one and the same person, appropriate order may be passed. We will next.
35.
Yes, 35.
Please, your lordship, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, grandfather of the petitioner is Nobi Hussain, my lord.
Page
Lordship will
number.
kindly have a look, my lord. The Jamabandi copy of my lord, page 45, my lord.
Page 45.
Yes, my lord. The Jamabandi copy for the year 1930 and 31. my lord.
Yes, page number.
Page 45, my lord.
45.
5, my lord. Grandfather is Nobi Hussain, my lord.
Page number 45. Nobi Hussain,
Nobi Hussain,
Jamabandi.
Jamabandi. And the father is my lord Abdul Hamid, page 47, my lord. This is the Jamabandi copy of 1968 and 69, my lord.
No,
Fathers.
Jamabandi may be of any year,
My-
but the entries of which year?
And he, my lord,
Because Jamabandi is it's a continuous document.
yes, after death of the my lord, the grandfather,
Jamabandi is a continuous document.
my lord.
A Jamabandi of 65 may also contain an entry of 1990
Yes, yes,
also.
my lord.
So this Nabi Hussain
Yes, my lord.
He's it's an entry of which year?
My lord, 82, my lord, the right side, my lord, page 47, my lord.
Sorry.
My lord, in the right side, my lord. 11/10/1982, my lord,
Page number
page number 47, my lord.
47.
Father's name, my lord, after the death of the
Mhm.
grandfather, my lord, Nabi
So
Hussain.
Nabi Hussain is the father,
Nabi Hussain is the grandfather,
grandfather.
and Abdul Hamid is the father.
Uh-huh. So 82 Hukum Mote,
Yes,
Abdul
Hamid,
Hamid,
Zamir and Sami Nabi Hussain and Naman Namzari. Father Samil Than.
so Nabi Hussain is the
Grandfather.
grandfather.
And Abdul Hamid is the father of the petition.
No, what is it? Sithar Iman Hukum Mote,
Ek nong sthola.
এক নম্বর স্থলত শ্রী আব্দুল হামিদ
Zamir Jan,
জামির জান
Sami Nabi Hussain, Naman Namzari, Father Samil.
স্বামী নবী হুসেন।
Yes,
How can Nabi Hussain be the husband of Abdul Hamid?
no, my lord, it is, the language is,
জামির জান।
Nabi Hussain is no more, my lord. The name, cut mark is there, my lord, in the left side.
So anyway, Abdul Hamid.
Abdul Hamid.
So petitioner is
Petitioner is Abdul Hassan.
Hussain.
Yes, and the voter list of 1997 from the same village, my lord,
Mhm.
Abdul Hassan name appeared, my lord. Page number 37, my lord.
Page number 37.
My lord.
People put it. Yes, Mr. Sharma, what do you say?
Yes, Lordship, on earlier occasion, your Lordship called for the record,
Hmm.
and he's already on interim.
Okay,
basis. Let the
record-
records come, Lord.
It's coming for the first time today.
No, Lordship, notice was issued, Lordship. Interim
Record.
was
Ah.
granted. Let the records come,
It's
Lord.
taken note of the records of FT case number 506/2016 from the Forest Tribunal to Morigaon was called by the order of 19/5/2023, but the record is not available. Restrictly to remind me of the report.
My lord, the interim may kindly be continued. My lord, interim continued. My lord, no, sure. Interim continued.
Not yet received.
So, no, absolute আছে।
Interim conduct.
Children তো নাই।
Item 36 for orders.
আমি কি এবার দিতে absolute দিও? Mr. Hamad, why do you want the interim to be continued? This is an absolute interim order,
Yes, my lord,
not required.
my lord,
If you want to continue, then till the next date. Which one you want?
my lord.
If you want it to be continued till the next date, which one you want?
No, my lord, the earlier one. Earlier one.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh.
Milord, it is a second review petition.
Second review petition.
So your lordship on the other day. said
Second
that
review
there is-
petition is in maintainable.
Second review petition is not maintainable, but
Hmm.
I have taken time. But I could not improve my case, madam.
I think there is
So-
one Supreme Court judgment is there where reference is made that second review is not maintainable.
Hmm.
এই হেৰি আছিল। এটা উলিয়াই ছিল নহয়। Second review maintainable.
Then what will you do? We close it, you go to Supreme Court. My lord.
আমার কাছে একটা জাজমেন্ট আছে না ইন দ্য কন্ডিশন আছে সেকেন্ডারি পজিশন লাইভ কিন্তু নিউ ফ্যাক্টস এটিকে করে ভালো হবে বুঝছেন
2000. 2000.
Volume 6, SCC 224, Lily Thomas versus Union of India.
my learned friend
Para 56.
my learned friend said that there is a decision, my lord, on 3 points that second review may lie. Let me examine, my lord, collect this judgment.
Adjourned on the prayer of Mr. M. A. Sheikh and Conservative Petitioner to examine the question of a maintainability of a second review petition.
Item 37.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I verified the record. The records found different records have been came regarding his brother's case.
Sorry.
Records received. Yeah, in the records received by this one court is FT case number 648.
Yeah,
Yeah.
TKS 648.
648.
Ah.
In the Eastern case, records is 620 of 2006. 620. Page
Where is the order calling for the record?
Yes, tribunal lordship page 56.
No,
Tribunal.
no, where is the order of the High Court calling for the records?
That's order I have not verified, but records I verified.
No, you have to verify because we have to correct our own order.
Yes, lordship. I find that records mentioned 648 and regarding his brother's case,
No, you want record of 620.
620 lordship.
It
That
is noticed that by the order of 9/11/2022, the records of FT case number 620/2006 was called. But the records available is that of FTC 648/2006. Register to verify and call for the appropriate records.
Lordship. Oblige.
39 for hearing.
Yes,
Brief
39.
is somewhere missing. Lord.
Sorry,
One of them maybe. Allowed.
you are having some difficulty.
Brief is somewhere.
In terms of the inconvenience from Mr. G. Sharma, Land Council for the Home Department.
Item 40.
For the H. Bhuiyan, K. Bhuiyan, H. Ahmed. None appears for a petitioner when the matter is called list again in the. Sorry, I missed. Oh, cool, go back. In the event of further non-appearance, appropriate order shall follow.
Time being item 7.
Data, say.
Five. Faster.
Yes, Mr. Mahmood,
May I, lordship? My lord,
first time.
yes,
Yes,
this first time motion.
father, which
My grandfather is Mir Baksha, my lord.
page number?
Sorry, my father is Mir Baksha, page 17.
Page 17.
Yes. Mir Baksh. And at village Jumari, lordship, can you see page village Jumari?
Page 17, mirror box,
Village Jumari.
65 village, Jumari.
Jumari.
He is the father.
He is my father.
Ah,
And
now,
lordship, can you see?
which document
linkage,
will show Mofida Khatun is the daughter of Mirbox?
Page 29.
Page 29. What is this?
This is Jamabandi.
Jama Bandi.
Yes.
Where is
Village
the,
Jumari. page
where is
29.
the relevant entry?
Yes, relevant entry is page 30.
Page 30. The petitioner. The petitioner relies upon the voters list of 1965 of village Jumari containing the name of Mir Box,
Yes.
son of Isu Box at Cedar 62, and it is claimed that Mir Box is the father of the petitioner. To substantiate the said claim, reliance is placed on a Jamabandi in respect of a plot of land of village Jumari, which contains the order of the circle officer dated 8/4/2015, by which mutation had been made in favor of Mafida Khatun, daughter of Mir Box, in place of Mir Box. Full stop.
With his brother.
In view of
Zakir.
the state,
Lord,
notice state. All for the
This come
records.
in motion, so police may not take any course of action. till the matter is- Sorry.
Acceptable.
If you don't want interim order, tell us.
No, I want, I could not follow.
Item 9,
Item 9. Mahmuda Begum, yes, father,
Yes, yes. My grandfather is my lord Abed Ali,
page number
page 21,
21. Abed Ali, grandfather.
grandfather. And
The
it is
father?
of village Nangal Dua. Village Nangal Dua.
Mhm.
And my mother is, my father is Sohrab Ali, page 25.
Page 25,
Yes,
father.
of the same village,
Hmm.
Nangal Dua.
Nangaldua. And petitioner is
petitioner's
Mahmuda.
name
Which
was something-
document will show Mahmuda, daughter of Sohrab Ali?
Yes. Then my father adduced evidence before the learned tribunal, page 66.
66. Village is different, Khanatu.
Village would be, village is Konatu, my lord, this is Mahmuda's address.
No, I Sohrab Ali,
Yes.
son of Abed Ali of village Khanatu. Other one is Nangaldua. Petitioner to examine the inconsistency in as such as DW2 Sohrab Ali is of village Khanatu,
Yes,
whereas reliance is placed on the voter list of 1979 of village Nangaldua,
yes.
which contains the name of Sohrab Ali. List next week.
May I express some protection? when-
You make out the prima facie case, we'll give you all the protection next week.
timing 18,
Sorry, my lord, in the morning or I could not. able to
No,
get
Mr.
time.
Gyasuddin, don't do that.
My lord, record was.
Nothing.
Yes.
When we have heard you observe that some material could not be produced and you had sought time to produce relevant material, don't send one young lawyer and just take advantage of the innocence of a young lawyer and seek for an adjournment.
Sorry, my lord.
You face it yourself, whatever you have to do. Don't do this. This is not a very good practice.
I collect the file, my.
Definitely not. You sent one young girl, I remember,
Yes, ma'am. my lord.
and you tried to take advantage of the innocence of that young girl.
No, my lord, she is my junior, man.
Maybe anybody in this world, but you tried to take advantage of that without revealing the earlier order of the court. Don't do it.
Sorry, my lord.
Yes, now what you have to say? If you face it, you face it yourself. Don't put in some innocent face before the court
Sorry, I-
to take advantage.
My
That
lord,
is not accepted.
by earlier
Yes,
order,
what material you have?
lordship, in the record, I have found one revenue receipt, lordship.
Sorry,
In the record, my lord.
claims that you are a son of Basir Ali,
Yes, my lord. Lordship, kindly page 41, my lord.
whose name appears in voters list of 66. Which document will show that the petitioner is the son of Basir Ali?
Lordship, subsequent voter list, my lord, is there, 1989. His name appears against, his father name either written Bosi or
No,
Bosi.
which page? Page number?
Lordship, page number 14, Lordship. The same village, my lord.
Page number 14.
14, yes. Lordship, may kindly,
Wasif.
Yes.
And where is the 1965? What is this? 66? What is this?
is Bosir Ali, my lord.
Page number?
Lordship is page number 10. Village is Gagalmari, number 2, Gagalmari.
Village is,
Gagalmari, my lord. In vernacular, it is written.
where is the name of the village written?
It's the right corner, my lord. Lordship, may kindly see page 11, my lord.
No, I'm looking at page 11. Where is the name of the village?
My lord, it's a upper right corner, my lord.
Gaon, Dui number,
Gao 2 number, Gagalmari, my lord.
Kagol Mari,
Gagalmari, Gao Panchayat.
Pagol Mari,
This English written is wrong, my lord.
Kagol Mari,
Gagalmari, my lord.
Gagol Mari.
Yes. And next, my lord, page 12 is the 70 brutalist, my lord. Where also appear Muhammad Bashir Ali.
No, that is okay. Now,
His name appeared 1989.
89. You produce all the voters list between 1970 and 1989.
Plus.
Because anyway, Kalam is 65 years, so your name ought to have been there.
My lord,
The petitioner relies on the voters list of 1966 of village Gagolmari, which contains the name of Basir Ali, son of Amir Ali at serial 95. And it is claimed that Basir Ali is the father of the petitioner. To substantiate the same, reliance is also placed on the voters list of 1989 of village Gagolmari, which contains the name of A. Kalam, son of Basib. It is stated that Basib of the 1989 voter list and Bashir Ali of the 1966 voter list are one and the same person. To examine for further examination, the complete voters list of village Gagolmari from the year 1966 to 1989 be produced before the court. Next.
most of them.
Item 20,
I think someone came,
Yes.
was not prepared with the page number.
Yes, Lord.
Now, when we said we'll take up again, now is not appearing. None appears for the petitioner. When the matter is called. When the matter was earlier called, a learned counsel appearing for the petitioner had sought that the matter be adjourned for the time being to enable the learned counsel to verify the relevant page numbers in the record. List again.
38,
Review.
It be taken some another day.
Adjourn on the prayer of Mr. Emi Mahmood, learned counsel for the petition.